Hi everyone, I'm Rahul. I'm one of the co-founders of GenX e-bikes, and today I'm going to address the problem of skipping of the chain gears actually in electric bike and the normal push bikes too. So basically, what happens while you are pedaling the electric bike, the chain here will skip from one gear cog to the different sizes, and this means that even on when you are changing gears from, let's say, 2 to 3 to 4, the chain will actually skip and pass through different cogs sizes unevenly. So basically what the fix is, the gear wire which starts from here, this is sometimes loose or sometimes tight, and this has to be adjusted. So this wire which comes from the gear, this has to be tightened either clockwise or sometimes even adjusted anti-clockwise. uh, do it few notches in either sides, and you'll see that this might fix the tightness of the gear uh, on the derailleur. And you can also sometimes use, I think this is 5mm Allen key. You can tighten this bolt from the derailleur hanger, and sometimes you can also use the same Allen key to tighten this bolt here for the same tightness of the wire. So in short, these are the three things: the gear wire tightness from this black screw, it can be adjusted towards clockwise or anti-clockwise to adjust the tightness of the gear wire. Or if this does not fix the problem, then 5mm Allen key for the derailleur hanger bolt here, or the bolt at this side. So a combination of all these three things will actually fix your gear slipping or skipping. Thanks for watching this video. Please do remember to subscribe to our channels, our Facebook, social media channels, YouTube. We do keep posting interesting stuffs now and then.